Oh yeah, that's the way you do it. Hey Rod, what's up, what's up? But right now, we're gonna do some funky bassline. Alright, yeah, that's the way you do it. That's the way you do it. This is a song entitled Kagat ng Aso in Tagalog. In case you don't know, right? But right now, what I do is kick river you me, right? I'll tell you. Are you ready? I'm ready. If you're ready, here we go. As we get into something like this, go. And so, kinagabihan, nagsama-sama buong barkada. At kaming lahat nagtipon-tipon sa aming mumuting plaza. Pinaplano kung magkano ang dapat na maging sweldo. Kung susuyurin lang lahat ng mayayamang tao sa Dunggalo, Paranaque, so katulad ng dati, kami ay nangarili. Dala-dala namin gitara ni Ipe na kulang sa guitar string. Nang pagpasok namin sa Santa Monica at bago lumati sa kanto, may nakita kaming ang dami-daming ang lalaking aso. Oh yeah, that's the way you do it. That's the way you do it. Did you know what I'm saying with this song? Kaso kagat ng aso. Oh yeah, really cool, really cool. We can do it again, you know what? I'm saying, alright, check it out. What's in the song? Kagat ng aso. Magagandang chick nakatambay sa mga aso, di namin pinansin. Basta't wag lang kami magtatakbo, hindi kami hahabulin. So, lakas loob kaming lumakad, iniingatan ang aming voice. Sikat na sikat at center of the attraction, Andrew and the boys. So na kami ay paalis na upang humanap ng ibang bahay. Kami ay nanginginig at pawis na pawis at lahat hindi mapalagay. Paano ba naman sa aming harapan? Oh my God! At tatalas ng ngipin, mga aso ay naglalaway and feeling ko ay lalapain. Yeah, pump it up, pump it up. Yo, what's the way you do it? What you know what? What's the name of the song? Kagat ng aso. Oh yeah, that's the way you do it. We can do it one more time, but you know what? But I'm get some funky lyric before we forget. What is the name of the song? Kagat ng aso. Yeah, here we go. Ganun talaga ang buhay pag talagang minamalas. Nang ako'y tumakbo, naiwan ko relo tsaka tsinelas. Sayang, gusto ko sanang balikan, ngunit isa ang aking napansin. Aking napuna, nanlilisik na mata at naglalaki ang ngipin. Kaya't ang inyong likod, Andrew, walang magawa. Pagkat tumakbo, biglang natalisod, kawawang bata na lapa. Pagdating na sa amin ang aso, kaya't Andrew mangyak-ngyak. Gas-gas ng tuhod, tumingin sa likod. I guess what you know, ako'y siya. Oo, si Ipe napapasigaw sa klolong. Tubal, ang malas ni Ipe, siya ang nahuli. So swerte kaming tatlo. Kay bilis ng mga pangyayari, di ko na namalaya ng lahat. Biruin mo sa aming apat, si Ipe pa ang nakagat. So umuwi kaming apat at lahat umuwi sabay-sabay. Inaasahan isang taong sermon mula sa kanyang nanay. Kaya ang pangangaruli, di ko na uulitin, please. Para di magkaroon ng kagat ng aso at sa tsakararabis. Oh yeah, that's the way you do it. You know what? What is the name of the song? Kagat ng aso. That's the way you do it. But you know what? The name of the song? Kagat ng aso. Oh yeah. Don't forget that. In English, that was called What's Right. We have fun. That's the way you do it.